The ninth month of the Islamic lunar calendar marks a special time for Muslims around the world, Ramadan. This holy month is a time for deep spiritual reflection, self-improvement, and connecting with God. It is a time for Muslims to strengthen their faith and practice self-discipline. Fasting from dawn till dusk is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, and Ramadan is the month dedicated to this pillar. Fasting during Ramadan means abstaining from food and drink. It also means refraining from negative thoughts and actions. Muslims wake up before dawn to eat a pre-fast meal called Sehri. They break their fast at sunset with a meal called Iftar. Ramadan is a time for families and communities to come together. It is a time for sharing, giving, and forgiveness. Throughout this holy month, Muslims strive to live by the teachings of Islam. They aim to be more compassionate, generous, and patient. Ramadan is a time of great joy and celebration. It is a time for Muslims to reflect on their blessings and to renew their commitment to God. It is a month that reminds us of the importance of faith, compassion, and community. Sehri, the pre-dawn meal, holds a special place in Ramadan. It is a time when Muslims wake up before sunrise to nourish their bodies in preparation for a day of fasting. This act of waking up in the stillness of the night, sharing a meal with loved ones, and seeking blessings before the day begins has profound spiritual significance. Sehri is not just about filling the stomach, it is about fueling the soul. It is a time for quiet reflection and prayer, a moment to connect with God before the day's activities commence. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized the importance of Sehri, encouraging Muslims to partake in this blessed meal. The act of waking up for Sehri is a testament to a Muslim's commitment to their faith. It is a sacrifice made willingly, forgoing sleep and comfort for the sake of obedience and devotion. This act of self-discipline strengthens the connection between the believer and God. Sehri is a reminder that even in the quietest moments before the world awakens, God is present. It is a time for seeking His guidance and blessings as we embark on a day of fasting and spiritual growth. In the heart of Old Cairo, there's a narrow alleyway that comes alive during Ramadan. The aroma of spices and simmering broth fills the air, drawing you towards a heartwarming sight, a community kitchen bustling with activity. This kitchen, run by volunteers, embodies the spirit of Ramadan. Every evening as the sun begins its descent, people from all walks of life gather here. There are families who struggle to put food on the table, elderly individuals living alone, and even passers-by who are welcomed with open arms. The volunteers, young and old, work tirelessly, chopping vegetables, stirring pots, and packing meals. This community kitchen is more than just a place to get a free meal. It's a testament to the unifying power of Ramadan. Strangers become friends as they share stories over steaming bowls of food. The act of giving and receiving creates a bond of compassion and understanding. The story of this kitchen is just one example of the countless acts of kindness that take place during Ramadan. It is a reminder that this holy month is not just about personal piety, but also about reaching out to those in need and building a more compassionate society. As the sun dips below the horizon, a hush falls upon Muslim communities worldwide. The call to prayer echoes, signaling the time for Iftar, the breaking of the fast. Families gather around tables laden with dates, refreshing drinks, and aromatic dishes, their hearts filled with gratitude and anticipation. Iftar is a time for reunion and togetherness. Families and friends come together to share the joy of breaking their fast, their conversations filled with warmth and laughter. The simple act of sharing a meal after a day of fasting creates a profound sense of unity and belonging. Mosques often host communal iftars, where people from all backgrounds are welcome to partake in the breaking of the fast. These gatherings foster a sense of community, reminding us that we are all united by our faith. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, encouraged the sharing of food during iftar, emphasizing the importance of communal harmony. Iftar is a time for gratitude, a moment to reflect on the blessings in our lives. It is a reminder that even in abstaining, we find abundance in the company of loved ones and the spirit of togetherness. Section 5. More than a meal, the spiritual nourishment. While the act of fasting during Ramadan focuses on abstaining from food and drink, the true essence of this holy month lies in the spiritual nourishment it provides. Sehri and Iftar, beyond their physical sustenance, serve as powerful reminders of our relationship with God and our fellow human beings. The early morning rise for Sehri teaches us discipline and sacrifice. It is a reminder that our connection with God takes precedence even over our basic needs. The act of sharing iftar with loved ones and strangers alike cultivates empathy and strengthens the bonds of community. Through fasting, we develop a heightened awareness of our dependence on God. We learn to appreciate the blessings we often take for granted, cultivating a sense of gratitude that extends beyond the holy month. The pangs of hunger serve as a reminder of those less fortunate, encouraging generosity and compassion. Sehri and iftar are not merely meals, they are spiritual practices that nourish the soul. They teach us patience, humility, and the importance of connecting with both God and our communities. Section 6. The Bonds We Forge. Ramadan's Unifying Spirit. Ramadan is a month that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries, uniting Muslims worldwide in a shared experience of faith and devotion. From the bustling streets of Cairo to the quiet suburbs of London, the spirit of Ramadan brings people together in a unique and powerful way. The shared experience of fasting fosters a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood among Muslims. We experience the same hunger, the same thirst, and the same yearning for spiritual connection. This shared struggle creates a bond of empathy and understanding. The communal rituals of Sehri and Iftar further strengthen these bonds. Families and friends come together to share meals, stories, and laughter, creating memories that last a lifetime. Mosques become hubs of activity, hosting communal prayers, iftars, and lectures that bring the community closer. Ramadan teaches us that despite our differences, we are united by our faith and our shared humanity. It is a reminder that we are stronger together, and that by supporting one another, we can overcome any challenge. Section 7. Beyond Ramadan, Carrying the Spirit Forward. As the holy month of Ramadan draws to a close, Muslims are filled with a sense of accomplishment and a renewed commitment to their faith. But the lessons learned and the spirit cultivated during this blessed month should not be confined to Ramadan alone. The discipline, empathy, and generosity we practice during Ramadan should stay with us throughout the year. We should strive to maintain the same level of spiritual awareness, seeking to connect with God in our daily lives. The spirit of generosity and compassion that flourishes during Ramadan should extend beyond the Muslim community. We should continue to reach out to those in need, regardless of their faith or background, striving to build a more just and equitable world. Ramadan is a time for spiritual renewal and growth, a time to reconnect with our faith and our communities. Let us carry the lessons learned and the spirit cultivated during this holy month with us throughout the year, striving to be the best versions of ourselves. Section 8. A Call to Understanding, Explore and Share. Ramadan, with its rituals of fasting, prayer, and charity, offers a profound window into the Islamic faith. It is a time for both Muslims and non-Muslims to learn about and appreciate the values of compassion, empathy, and social responsibility that lie at the heart of Islam. I encourage you to delve deeper into the significance of Sehri and Iftar, to understand the spiritual nourishment they provide and the sense of community they foster. Share this knowledge with others, breaking down barriers and fostering understanding between different cultures and faiths. Let us use this Ramadan as an opportunity to build bridges of communication and understanding. Let us celebrate our shared humanity and work together to create a more compassionate and just world. Share this essay with your friends, family, and colleagues, and let us engage in meaningful conversations about faith,